Sometimes, even a fun road trip can start to feel like a very long drive. As part of Subaru EyeSight, advanced adaptive cruise control can keep the miles from wearing on you. EyeSight watches the road and the car in front of you. When you set cruise control, but then come across a slower vehicle, the system automatically adjusts your speed to maintain your preset distance, even bringing you to a full stop if necessary. It also detects lane markings to help you stay centered. As you drive, you'll feel the system making steering adjustments, but you're always in control. It can even help guide you smoothly around curves. So with advanced adaptive cruise control, you can be confident about taking on the road ahead, whether you're doing the daily commute or trying to leave it behind.